In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where you're trying to open up Google Chrome and you'll get in the error message chrome.exe shortcut has been changed or moved. Now there's a couple of different ways that we can fix this. The first thing you need to do is just right click on the shortcut that you're trying to open and come over to properties. Then head over to the shortcut tab at the top and down here you'll see this text underneath target. Now you need to ensure that this target text is listed as what's on my notepad here. So I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can just come and copy and paste this. So I'm going to select all of this text and just copy it, head back over to this window, and then we're going to delete all of this target text here. And we're going to paste in this new text like so. Make sure to include the speech marks. And then you're just going to press apply and OK. Now, if I double click on the shortcut now, you could see that that's now working without any issues. However, if that doesn't work for you, then we just need to recreate this shortcut. So to do that, we're going to right click on the shortcut we're currently trying to open, and you're just going to press the trash icon to delete it. You'll then need to head over to your File Explorer, and you need to head inside of your computer from the left, click on your C drive, scroll down and select Program Files and click this. Scroll down again until you see this Google folder and double click this. Click on the Chrome folder, click on Application, and here you'll see chrome.exe. So we're just going to right click on this file here, head over to Show More Options, and then you need to come to Send To and select Desktop, and this is going to create a new shortcut of this. So if I come back over to my desktop now, you can see here's the shortcut that we just created. So if I just double click on this, you can see that now works without any issues. Now if you've tried both of these steps and it's still not working, the last thing we can do is head over to your Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings window, and from the left hand side select Apps. Click on Installed Apps, and you'll need to locate Google Chrome in your list of applications. You can just scroll down and locate it from here, or we can use the search box and type in Google Chrome. Once you've found Google Chrome, just click on the three horizontal dots, click on Uninstall, and then press Uninstall to uninstall it. And once you've uninstalled Google Chrome, you'll then need to launch up another internet browser. It could be Firefox or Internet Explorer, whatever your secondary internet browser is on your PC. And you'll need to reinstall Google Chrome to your system, and that should have now fixed the shortcut issue. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.